Welcome to TDS Online Math. The question is 0 a rational number? Alright, now when we say a number is rational, we mean that number can be expressed as A or B. Okay, let's take 4 for instance. Okay, 4 can be written as 8 on 2. So we have A and we have B. Okay, 10 on 2, we have A and we have B. Now the result here is 5. Okay, it means 5 is a rational number because it can be expressed as A or B. Observe something. If I multiply 2 by 5, I will get this 10. Now let me take 14 and 7. 14 on 7 is 2. 2 is a rational number. 7 times 2 is 14. 16 on 2 is 8. 8 is a rational number and 2 times 8 is 16. Now let's take 0 on 5 is 0. Now 5 times 0 is 0. Okay, 0 on 7 is equal to 0. 7 times 0 is 0. Now, because we can express 0 as A on B, it means 0 is a rational number. Alright, subscribe for more exciting videos like this. Alright, thanks.